Yeah.
I know.
Are you a good baseball player or a bad baseball player?
P. Bass.
Are you gonna hit it?
No. Oh, so you.
Wow. Wow, that was a good hit. You gotta get the other ball. Yeah, do another one. Cause you're a good baseball player. Wow, what a hit that was. That was the best hit ever. You could tell Dada, Dada. You could say, Dada, I'm the best baseball player ever.
Wait, you gotta get the bat though.
Yeah, ta-da. You could say, Nana, I hit the baseball.
I got it.
Wow, look at that hit. Wow.
Buddy, here's another one.
Wow. I think you're better than Uncle Danny at baseball.
I think
Wow.
He's gonna be my athlete.
What a hitter.
I can tell already. Did you bring a ball for Matthew? Yes.
You're an excellent baseball player. Try to hit that big ball that you have.